What's up, guys? We got a 2024 Honda Civic. Basically what they do to this car, they bust out the lug nut locks, leave your car on full brakes. They put cinder blocks, remove the air out of your tires, and take your brakes. And and either that or break the window and try to steal your car or whatnot. But we end up installing the Excalibur alarm with the linker unit. That way he gets the notification on his phone when the fire's off, and from the app on the phone he can arm and disarm it. This car pretty much, when you walk away, it automatically locks, and then as you're approaching your car, it unlocks. So basically you never have to touch this. This is only pretty much the transponder to drive, because there's no sense hitting anything here, because it's going to do it anyway when you come in the car and when you leave the car. The only thing you got to do when you exit the car, you have a choice either to hit lock on the app like he's doing right now, okay, and that arms the alarm. You can do that anywhere in the world. You can be inside a building and do that, and then if you're coming towards your car, you can hit unlock from inside your house or wherever you are, in your office or whatnot. That way when you get to the car, my alarm is disarmed. Or you can do it while you're approaching the car, or you just grab it comes with a fob, so you're able to arm it and able to disarm it. So basically, as you getting in the car, when you leave when you exit the car and you walk away, it will unlock itself, or if you have that in the settings in the car. Otherwise, you can just hit the factory remote if you don't like that self-locking. And then just remember, if you want to have my alarm working at night to give you that protection, or any time of the day you want to have it, just hit lock, and that turns on my alarm. This thing comes with a factory alarm, and pretty much it only works if somebody opens the door. You're probably asking yourself, why do you even have to buy an alarm if it already comes with one? But the problem that the one it comes with, it doesn't have any type of impact sensor or any type of sensors to protect the windows. So if anybody backs into your vehicle, you're not gonna know about it, because there's nothing will trigger. The only way the factory alarm goes off, is somebody opens the door, and basically nobody's gonna do that. They're gonna break the window and jump in, or want to steal rims and tires. There's no need to open any of the doors anyway. So that's where I would advise anybody who has these type of vehicles to go ahead and add something to get an extra layer of protection. And okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and arm the alarm, and I'll show you what triggers it. If anybody bangs in the windows, of course, or anywhere around the car, or if they try to bust out the lug nut locks, I would advise everybody who has these cars to at least put 2 lug nut locks per tire. Don't leave the keys inside the glove box, because that's a place that anybody will go there first to see if you left them there. Try to hide them in the car somewhere, and try to get at least 2 or 3 lug nut locks per tire. It's been kind of quiet on rim theft as far as the Honda Civic. The Honda Accords and the Camrys and the Corollas are pretty high right now, at least for right now. So, but still, you never know. So I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire. That's the alert that he gets. The app was open. He didn't have to. You don't have to have the phone with the app open or anything to get the alerts. You can have it on standby. It does come with GPS that you can track wherever the car is. Okay. For security reasons, I'm not going to show the GPS, but it will be this button over here at the top. Okay, and then right here will be our contact information. So yeah, this is what I advise everybody to get. It tells you the temperature of the vehicle, the voltage of the car, the battery of the actual car, the signal of the unit. It comes with whatever car I do, the database can put whatever picture of your vehicle that you have. You can name it whatever you want at the top. Yeah, this is a real nice system. I advise everybody who has these Honda Accords, or any car for that matter, to get this system that notifies you, because at the end of the day, if an alarm goes off in a parking lot, I don't think people are going to care too much. The only time that if it's in front of your house in the driveway, that's different, because you can hear it from your bedroom or whatever from inside the house. But out on the streets, like in a mall and workplace and stuff like that, I don't think too many people want to get involved in what's going on with the vehicle. So that notification is what matters, because if you hear it while you're inside the gym or wherever you are, in a restaurant or wherever you park your car, you can come out and get something going out there and see what's going on with your vehicle. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is on a 2024 Honda Civic, and we thank you for watching this video.